Okay, you guys, in Costco, $39.99. We have the large candles. These do make a really, really great Christmas gift. You have grapefruit. Ooh, tell me how that one smells.
That's pretty cool. It smells like something you'd
Oh,
want to
it's
drink.
alright, it's alright. Kind of smells like a sweet tartish.
Yeah. Like it'd be good.
Oh, look how cute. $32.99. You have the minion. One size only, which I'm not a fan of, but they're for
I'm not
children.
a fan of this one. I feel like Yoshi should be bigger so he doesn't look like he has stilt legs.
$33. Okay, the radio, or not the radio, well, yeah, $70 went down, $30. Ends August 24th. I was going to say 8/24. I mean, I can, but it's August 24th. And this one that all the children in the neighborhood like to put on their bikes or walking, $98.99. This one ends August 11th.
Like that old guy that listens to death metal while he rides his bicycle.
Yeah. Here's another one. Kind of reminds me of the Skull Candy one. I don't see it anymore, but you did get two here. $40 for a 2-pack. Wow, that's pretty loud for that little thing. That's still loud. Oh, I don't know how to shut that off. $40. $380. We have the desk here. It's a pretty nice, wide, long one.
Universal Broadmoor furniture, lighting disc, or hero.
Oh, I thought these were little drawers.
No, just the same. It would be nice. There's no reason I couldn't have made them.
$380 for this bookshelf or whatever you want to use it for. It's pretty nice and thick. A little bigger. Well, it's $380. It is much bigger compared to Walmart. It's pretty good. It's pretty sturdy, actually. So they have this thing called the lap desk with removable knit cover. Okay, this is perfect. Actually, that could work for me. I just need a back pillow.
That's pretty nice.
Or our daughter when she's doing her work, even though she has a desk, but you know. All right, the dolls are out. These are going to be $25. The large doll, you know, they always bring them out. Next to me, this one's new.
Huge.
$70. Oh, does that make noise? Light
Yeah,
up
he's got-
LED.
Like he blows fire, yeah, that type of thing. That'd be cool if he smoked too. That'd be
Oh yeah, a kid toy that smokes.
Yeah.
Parents want that.
Well, when you're blowing the fire, you gotta blow smoke.
Yeah, but then they have to refill whatever it is.
Well, you
Parents
can do-
don't want to do that.
Some of the toys can actually do it just off of water.
$21.99. I think we've seen these. The Friends one. And then here's the Blue and Hello Kitty. Okay. Wow, like my store has like no signs of Halloween. Actually, they brought back the Star Wars pinball machine, but there's, you know, people on it. So here's what it looks like.
Oh, that's cool.
Didn't they have this last time?
They had Jurassic Park last year. Now they have this.
Fun. So $4,800 for this pinball machine.
4,600.
I'll come back to that and some, you know, people playing. I think he was a worker, so I'm just gonna leave him alone. $17 here. These are the jacket for children. So these are out now.
Let's see if I can turn the volume
They're
on.
by Quicksilver. The champion pant is gonna be 10 for children. They got black, gray, 2 shades of like a pink, and if you want the hoodie, they're 10. So 10 and 10. Champion, this gray one, and black. And $10 here on the men's flannel shirt. And August 24th. These are really nice colors. I like this green one. I really like this blue one. And like ladies, teens, if your teen has like a boyfriend and they're into flannels, $10. These are nice. I was like, get a head start. $10. Now this one does end August 3rd. $7.99. $3 off, you know, takeaways if you're doing meal prepping. I mean, you do get more here compared to like the fun ones in Marshalls and TJ Maxx. You get 35. The plates here are, you get 240 for $14. And then we have pine sol, which is $10.99. It feels like somebody dropped one because that smells. Here's a plate. And $12.69 for the 3-in-1, which is still not bad. This one does end August 24th. Lysol $13.79, ends August 24th. Plenty of cleaning products right now on discount. And the toilet wand $13.69. Ends again on the 24th. I don't know if they packaged this differently, but it looks new. The wild blueberry, $9.49 here, the Kirkland. Okay, the minis are $13.99 down here. You get 18. On top, $12.49. And they do have the mini cookie crumble. These are $11.99. And you guys, you know, if you have teens, they do love this stuff. $10.99 for a 20 ounce, which is a lot, obviously a better difference than Walmart, because Walmart's paying $8 for a tiny bag. $10.99, I'm also just buy a big bag. And this right here, $11.99, so it's paying $8 for a tiny bag at Walmart. And I'll just get that one. The Just Bare is on discount, $14.99, and the 24th of August. You guys, these tacos are actually pretty decent. They're $11.99. I'm enjoying them. The Jack in a Crack Ray, Jack in the Box, hot sauce, cheese, and lettuce. These are kind of spicy on their own if you don't mind. The chicken chipotle. Okay, that's what it looks like. But that guy's been on there for like 20 minutes. I'm really surprised there is not as much Halloween here in this location. But it's a Star Wars pinball machine, you guys. So you could probably find that online. I think that one costs more than the Jurassic Park one.
Yeah, I think so. They're so expensive now. I think the Jurassic Park one is almost the same price. I don't think it was
What is this one? Oh, grain-free cookies, $9.89. This is chocolate chip. They're supposed to be gluten-free and vegan. Okay, so the ingredients in here look about the same. Someone was complaining about the tortillas. So if you do buy the, because I haven't bought them in a while. Someone's saying the tortillas on Siete, they changed the ingredients. Alright, I made it into the beauty area. So this is $35 right now. Ends on the 24th. $35. Did I say 13? Okay, the eye masks are new. $13.99. Grace and Stella. Oh. You could also find these in Marshalls and TJ Maxx, you guys. You do get 24 in here. But other than that, there's no other deals going on. Everything looks the same. please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next video.